Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make reposts private on TikTok. Many social media platforms give you a feature for resharing and reposting others' content. You can reshare others' videos, photos, and posts if you like their content. These features helps in getting more users' engagements. Similar feature was added to the TikTok recently. This feature is named as Repost. If you like anyone videos on TikTok, then you can repost his videos and it will be shared with your followers and all of them will be able to see that you reposted these videos. But not everyone like to show his repost to others. That is why some people ask if there is a way for making repost private so that no one can see that we have reposted a video. So let's get started. On your TikTok app, click the profile at the bottom. Now at the top, click the three lines and select Settings and Privacy. Again, select Privacy. Under the Privacy, scroll down and look for Repost Settings. If you don't see Repost Settings, it means this is not available on your country. But you can repost your post on your phone. Go back to your home page and select your videos. And then at the right side, there's a 5 option, but you will click on the favorite at the 4 options. It will automatically save it on your private post. And that's how you basically how to make repost private on TikTok. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.